Respected supervisors, teachers, and my dear children, it's my immense pleasure in introducing our honorable guest of the day, Dr. Surendra Narayan Mishra, Professor, Department of Psychiatry, IMS and Sun Hospital, Bhubaneswar. As we all know, Dr. Surendra Narayan Mishra is one of the eminent psychiatric consultants of the contemporary time. Being a man of integrity, devotion, and professionalism, he has made several landmarks in his professional career. He completed his MBBS from BSS Medical College and MD from SCB Medical College, Qatar. His intellectual journey and potential of knowledge remain unquestionable. Presently, he is attached with the Sun Hospital, Bhubaneswar as a professor to the Department of Psychiatry. His depth of knowledge and experience toward the service of mankind that has placed him as a reputed personality not only in our country but also overseas. He depicted him as a guide, friend, and philosopher to the needy people. He is associated with many psychiatric societies like Assistant General Secretary, Indian Psychiatric Society, General Secretary, Indian Psychiatric Society, Odisha State Branch, member, Indian Association of Private Psychiatry, life members of International Association of Sexual Medicine Practitioners, life fellow of Indian Association for Child and Adolescents Mental Health India. He has been awarded various prestigious awards like National Sevaratna Award, Mother Teresa Award, Sangrani Award for his remarkable contribution to the society. He has made more than 20 publications in national and international journals, more than 50 newspaper articles, and many mass media programs for mental health awareness, including TV shows, FM events, and theater. Sir, we are very much grateful to you for accepting our invitation in spite of your busy schedule. I hope our children will definitely benefit from this session. Thank you, sir, and may God give us the reward. Now, I request our love principal, sir, who is always the guiding force to all such activities, to give away the official welcome. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you. Esteemed guest of the day, Professor Surendra Narayan Mishra, supervisors, the alumni members, Ashribad, Devasrita, Shatabdi, and his team, my colleagues, and dear students. Hearty welcome to all of you for this unique program, particularly after COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, it is not after, it is during. As all of you have experienced, how COVID-19 has brought havoc in every walk of life. Say to the businessmen, say to the professionals, in all the sectors and much more effective in education. I'm observing there is a great stress in all the spheres, and all the spheres that have worked may change gradually. Some of them have already come to the track. But the loss that we are getting in education sector, that is irreparable. No doubt, we have gone through online mode and other methods, but still then, that is not a substitute to your physical activity. So the great loss is about the student's life, because students are only one requirement, basic requirement, that is the proper education, and proper education, for proper education, proper mental condition is required. So within last 1.5 years, till most of the students are there inside their home. Nobody could measure what loss it has brought to the whole nation whenever all the students are not in the track where they would have been. Certainly that is a great loss, that is irreparable. Child who is studying for class 4 will come to class 5 and next class 6. So within 2 years without attending the school, he can drop the classes. But what loss he has got, can it be irreparable? It can be irreparable. Whenever he has not met his friends, he has not seen the classrooms, that stress and that loss of the confidence can't be repaired. But certainly we'll try to develop resilience. The beautiful topic Sarah has chosen really for this. We can develop the resilience. Yes, after falling down, they can come up. They can come up. They will try to absorb the shock. And for this, we need commitment of self-commitment of the students, and much more is the community. The community means the teachers, faculty, your friends, and much more is your parents. So students, we need to adjust after observing the hazards that we have got it. But you have a bright future, you have a long run to go. We can't fall there where you are now. So for this, esteemed guest of the day, Dr. Mishra is here. I really grateful to him. He has a really very busy schedule and he has given time for you. And after this, at the end of the program, everyone should get a chance to interact with you. Because in this world, everyone is speaking, but nobody is there to listen. Listening, I'll give very beautiful example as talking. One of my very close, he was really mentally stressed too much. Even I couldn't manage him. He's a very good student, very sincere. Or in spite of that, he has got a lot of stress. He lost his confidence on himself. This I can do. Perhaps I cannot do in my life. So I requested him, and he has given this 20 minutes chance. After going home, I talked with him because I got the point. What is the professionalism that he had? So he listened all the things. He given him every chance that any time you see, you just talk with him. That much. That's what confidence was raised in him till today. I really salute to sir because that professionalism, that integrity, that honesty is nowhere nowadays. And that is a message to the teachers also. In spite of lot of stress, in spite of lot of problems, mischiefs were getting, open your ear, listen. If you listen, at least somebody which wants to speak something, you will come out. You may sort it out, you may not sort it out, that's not the great issue. Which issues you must open your ear. So with this, I don't like to take more time. Thank you very much, sir. And I hope this session will be very useful for my students. And the students, again, I say, raise your voice, please interact. This is only for you. You will not get this chance in your home. You may not get this chance in your classrooms also. This is only chance. Any issue, anything you are having, please open up. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shari again. Now I request our guest of the day, Dr. Subendra Narayan Mishra, to come to the stage and share all his internal things to our students. And our students, I request all of you to interact freely with him.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected dignitaries, principal sir, VP sir, all my supervisors, lovable Soma ma'am, and the alumni of the school, especially Satardi, who called me to give some talk regarding this place management. So I have my time came here. So today it is not a class. Today actually it is not a class, it is an interactive session. Are you interested to interact with me? Till high voice. How is the Joes? That's right. So where I have chosen the topic, like bridging the resilience. So when I talk with the ma'am told, sir, what is this topic? Is it be feasible for all the students? I told, everybody okay with Hindi? I told, अंदर में क्या रहता है मैम? जो टॉपिक रहना चाहिए उसको हम रखेंगे, थोड़ा तो कुछ सोचेंगे बच्चे लोग क्या है? Stress management, teenager crisis, this is very common. So you have to think some catchy words, which will be remembered for a prolonged period. Or people or students will go on searching the Google. Everything though it is there in Google. Just like it. Right, sir? So slide अच्छी से one fast slide. So I start with a example. Yesterday I saw a case. Student from Raulkela came to me. Sitting on front of me, started. She told anything, nothing. She told nothing. Suddenly I asked, क्या हुआ है बेटा? वो लड़की क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं सर, एग्जाम है, प्लस 2 का एग्जाम है, कंसंट्रेशन नहीं हो रहा है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वो बोली कि मेरा मैट्रिक में कम परसेंट था, अभी तक मैं भूल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, 1.5 साल हो गया, अभी 3 महीना है एग्जाम के लिए. ठीक है, कितना परसेंटेज था? सर 93%। मैं डर गया, अरे यार 93 में तुम इतना टेंशन हो, हमारा सब फैमिली को मिला के 93% नहीं रहता है, तुम्हारा 93 में क्यों टेंशन हो? प्लस सर मेरा 93 रहना चाहिए, अभी 93 है, 96 से 93 हो गया, 3% कम हो गया, तभी मैं भूल नहीं पा रहा हूँ। So my topic is that the resilience. Resilience is how we can bounce back easily. सर को मैं बोल रहा हूँ saying, sir, people should know, or students should know how to come back from stress. ये जो स्टूडेंट बच्चे ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ते हैं उनका ज्यादा टेंशन होता है, जो हमारे तरह का होता है कुछ ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं रहते। तो क्लास में फास्ट होने में जो जितना टेंशन रहता है वो हर टाइम दैट में मेंटेन करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। लेकिन दो स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स, इफ दे आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म सेम थ्रूआउट देयर कैरियर, इट विल हैव अ ग्रेट प्रॉब्लम इन देयर लाइफ। यू हैव सीन रिसेंटली इन द क्रिकेट मैच द डेविड वार्नर, आर यू फॉन्ड ऑफ क्रिकेट? He was thrown out of that IPL match because of not performing well, but he became the man of the tournament of the ICC World Cup. So that depends how we bounce back. That is my topic name. How we can bounce back from your stress, from your tension, from your frustration, performance, because life is not everything at your age. This is just an exam, 10th exam. Yeah, it is very good, top exam. It is one of the most important exam of life. But if you are having some performance less, so you have to bounce back. Because if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an engineer, if you want to be anything, whatever you want to be like that, but you have to pass your 10th or plus 2 exam, then only you can go higher and higher. It is important. It is not that it is not important, but I am saying, because I am always for the student, those who are not performing well in the class. अच्छे स्टूडेंट को सब लोग लाइक करते हैं, जो हमारे जैसे टीचर रहते हैं जो थोड़ा मीडियम स्टैंडर्ड रहते हैं उनको हम अच्छे बनाते हैं। So this is my topic. Next. Yes. Okay. Who can say what is the difference between these three words: pressure, tension, and stress? Who can say? Just guess. Please interact, because I am not a teacher. I am not your teacher. I will not pass or fail you in the exam. Just it is an interactive session with a psychiatrist. A day with a psychiatrist. How you can relax? How you can remain relaxed throughout your today's life, so that you can remain happy throughout your life. Please give a microphone to the yes. Who can say what is the difference between these three words? Pressure क्या होता है, tension क्या होता है, stress क्या होता है? Anyone is a good student? Or okay, anyone student like me? Please tell the answer. Yeah, brave brother, bravo.
So pressure is something when
Tell me, pressure.
in my opinion, pressure is something when we take something very seriously,
Yes.
and we can't do it, or not our expectation, we can't fulfill that. So what happens is when we can't fulfill that expectation, we get pressure.
Very
After
good.
increasing to some level, it converts into tension. And if we combine both, after it goes to some phases, we took it as a stress.
Yeah, it is an excellent answer. But I say a little bit in psychiatry word. If you think about physics, pressure equal to force per area. Okay? Pressure equal to force per area. So suppose teachers are giving you task. In coming to the psychiatry part, teacher are given you task 30 days, summer vacation is there or winter vacation is there 15 days. So you have given task for 15 days. आप लोग क्या करेंगे? 10 दिन आराम से गप्पे मारेंगे, मस्ती मारेंगे, लास्ट 2 to 3 डेज में आप फिनिश करना चाहते हैं। 15 दिन का पढ़ाई 2 दिन में खत्म करने में जो प्रॉब्लम होता है उसको होता है प्रेशर। It is little bit psychiatric also. Then coming to the tension. Tension, if you throw physics, there is a tensile strength. When you pull a stone something in a rope, this is called tension. Am I right? Yeah. But in our term, tension is suppose positive force and negative force. आप लोग जब भी आप जाते हैं वैकेशन में, गोवा जाते हैं, कहीं फॉरेन जाते हैं, आप जा रहे हैं, आपका फ्लाइट का टाइम कम हो गया है, आप रास्ते में रह गए, आचार्य विहार चौक में स्टॉप हो गए, 4-5 ट्रैफिक, आपका टेंशन बढ़ा रहे यार, थोड़ा फ्लाइट की वजह से हमारा टूर भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, ये तो प्रॉब्लम होता है। हर टाइम पॉजिटिव फोर्स नेगेटिव फोर्स, पॉजिटिव फोर्स नेगेटिव फोर्स, इसको बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? टेंशन बोलते हैं। प्रेशर हो गया, टेंशन हो गया। इफ throughout your life, throughout your day, throughout your day and night, you are thinking क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे जाना है, यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है, एग्जाम में पास करना है, परफॉर्म करना है, फेल होना है, ये हर टाइम आप सोचते हैं, वो इसको टेंशन को चेंज कर देता है स्ट्रेस। Do you get my point? What is pressure? What is tension? What is stress? जिंदगी के हर वक्त, हर टाइम, हर मोड में आप हर टाइम फ्रस्ट्रेशन रहते हैं, टेंशन में रहते हैं, चिंता में रहते हैं। That will lead to stress. That will lead to stress. That stress causes so many diseases. So many diseases. Like you will be blessed with diabetes, you will be blessed with hypertension, you will be blessed with thyroid problem, obesity, hair loss, and so many things you will have. So I'm giving a talk how to relax, how to remain stress free. Today is my topic of discussion. So this is the definition. This is the definition of stress. Stress occurs when the demands made on a person exceeds his resources to cope with those demands. Stress is this is the definition of stress. Okay. What is stress? You can say whether stress is good or bad. Okay. Next, anyone? Stress good or bad? Who can say? कोई तो बोलो यार, क्या ये मैं पास फेल नहीं करता हूँ। Stress good or bad? These are people who are saying bad. Who are saying good? You have to raise the hand in the or saying good. On 50-50. Great answer. Please give big round of applause for her. This is stress. This is a stress call. Because I know she is a psychiatrist, daughter of a psychiatrist, so she has given the right answer. So this stress is just like a hump or curve. You see, up to this level, this is the good stress. You can see this is good stress, this is distress. मतलब एग्जाम है, थोड़ा सा टेंशन लेना अच्छा है, नहीं तो एग्जाम में परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाओ। ज्यादा टेंशन लेना है क्या होगा? You will go to this bad stress. थोड़ा टेंशन लेना है, पढ़ना है, अच्छे से पढ़ना है, परफॉर्म करना है। देखो पहले क्या था, पहले जमाने में इंडियन टीम जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाते थे वो परफॉर्म बहुत खराब करते थे, बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, दैट मीडिया प्रेशर, टेंशन, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू से oh Indians are bad, Indians are, so they perform very poor at Australia. But nowadays when the Virat Kohli captainship came, they know how to handle stress. They are going to for therapy, how to handle stress, how to manage tension, how to face the failure, because failure को face करना बहुत important है। आप लोग failure face किए कि नहीं? Very good. तो आपको पता है कि नहीं, अगर if you don't have any knowledge how to handle the stress or how to face the failure, please come to me and we can have a discussion with your topic, with your problem, and we can, if you have a one problem, not have one, if you discuss with your friends, those who listen to you, Sarah has told, those who will listen to you with your one problem, there may be hundreds or thousands solutions. Did you get my point? Try to talk with someone who will listen to you. This point is important. Who will listen to you? Otherwise, you go on saying someone, he will not listen to you. If you go on telling your father, you go on telling your mother, you go on telling your brother or friend, anyone, they don't have time. So you feel more frustrated. अरे यार मेरे कोई नहीं सुनता है, मेरे पास सुनने के लिए किसी के पास टाइम ही नहीं है. So important is you have to choose the person intelligently. किसी को बोलना है जो आपको आंसर देगा, जो आपको सॉल्यूशन देगा. ठीक है? So what are the stressors? Who can say what are the stressors? Exam is a stressor. COVID is a stressor. So many teachers, they are good stressors. So many teachers, they are bad stressors. So you have to choose, because teachers are always good. Because it is in your mind, you are thinking someone is good, someone is bad. You have to think, you have to collect the good criteria or good qualification from a teacher. You see. So these are the, is not visual. High stress, suppose pressure, exam pressure. Exam pressure is the more problem is comparison. There is comparison. So I may advise you always compare with yourself, your past, and try to be a better future, not with anyone. Suppose you are comparing. Suppose I was not a fast standard in my class. I was not secret top one in my school, but I was in that first top 10 or something like that. But I was a balanced person since my childhood, like playing, working, running, reading, everything. So whatever you need, whenever, if you read and only read, whenever you have some failure, so it will have difficulty to cope with the situation. Could you get my point? Suppose you are a poet, you are a dancer, you are anything. Never you have some failure, because failure is the rule. Anytime there will be failure. आप आज पढ़ के गए, कल रात में पापा का तबीयत खराब हो गया, मम्मी का तबीयत खराब हो गया होगी, आप जाके एग्जाम में परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए. लेकिन आजकल तो एक एग्जाम होता है, नीट का एग्जाम होता है, आपको फेलियर हो जाता है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? नहीं यार मेरा लाइफ गया, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाया. ये बहुत सारे लोग, you may feel something like that what the sir is saying, but if you go and sit my clinic, every time there may be 3 to 4 students from schools, plus 2s, any colleges, because of failure. मेडिकल नहीं मिला बोल के आए, प्लस 2 में कम मार्क, कम तो मैं जो अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया 96 से 93 वाले एग्जाम्पल, 96 नहीं है 93 है बोल के डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं. But at the end, if you have a like good support system, your friends are good, basically your relationship, public relationship is more important. You know what is public relationship? How you deal with your friends, your colleagues, your mama, papa, everyone. That is more important. If you will be only a student reading, when there will be failure, there will be problem to cope with the situation. Did you get my point? So always, when I tell you later how to handle the situation. So how to have maximum output with minimum input? This is for study, basically for study. When I was reading in school or close to, nobody was there to guide us, because I came from a very small school, Odia medium school, very small school. Before that, nobody was doctor. Before I was entering into the medical, nobody was doctor. So I don't know how to read. But when I enter into medical college, so I changed my study style. So जो students कम पढ़ते हैं और कम पढ़ के ज्यादा आउटपुट देना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. उन लोगों के लिए मैं टेक्निक बोल रहा हूँ. Are you interested to listen? Okay. So जो बच्चे खेलते हैं, ज्यादा फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, गेम में रहते हैं, इंटरनेट एडिक्शन, तो उनका टाइम कम मिलता है पढ़ने के लिए. सो कम टाइम में कैसे ज्यादा आउटपुट करें, वो कैसे होता है? कौन बोल पाएगा कैसे पढ़ते हैं आप? कौन बोलेगा कम पढ़ने में ज्यादा आउटपुट कैसे आएगा? वो कैन से फ्रॉम एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लाइन में ज्यादा अच्छे बच्चे बैठते हैं. बोलो, वो कैन से? या दैट बॉय.
that reading effectively, but not for more hours.
Yeah, very good. Anyone, please, please. This is an interactive session. Anyone. ये बोलेगा, उनको बोलो, फास्ट टाइम बोलो, कैसे अच्छा पढ़ेगा, मतलब कम पढ़ के ज्यादा आउटपुट कैसे रहेगा?
If we read for 1 hour, but it will read it for constantly, then I think we can read properly.
Yeah, very good. Anyone, any techniques? Because those, yeah, this is technique.
So suppose we complete a chapter in 1 hour, then we should make a quick short notes so that next time when we revise, then we can only look at the short notes and the whole chapter will come into our mind.
Excellent, excellent answer. So I will tell you, because in our medical curriculum, we have, before preparing for postgraduate exam, we have 19 subjects. And you know, each book is how big it is. So we have to read one technique. First of all, you maximum read at a stretch 45 minutes, and you take 15 minutes or 10 minutes gap. First, that's why the school has made a curriculum, 45 minutes class, 15 minutes attendance. Nowadays it is also reduced to 35 or 30 minutes. 45 minutes class, 15 minutes attendance. After 45 minutes, there is lack of concentration. You don't have good concentration. So I am talking about average students. I am not talking about the genius. There may be some genius over here, but I am talking about average students. 45 minutes, then suppose your exam is there. So you divide the subject, like every 2 to 3 hours you change the subject. Suppose you are prepared, I am talking about the preparation before exam, main exam, like 10th exam or 9th exam or plus 2 exam or any exam, medical entrance. So you prepare 45 minutes and change the subject after 2 to 3 hours, so that you have a good concentration. And keep a small copy, as he told, small note side. Suppose you are reading physics or you are reading chemistry, like chemistry, you write Boyle's laws, anything you write down here. So while reading, while after you complete your reading at 9 o'clock in the night, you keep 1 hour for revision. Okay? First 45 minutes with 15 minutes gap. During 15 minutes, you don't think anything. You go and talk with your mama, your papa, your friend, anyone, see some like listen some music, do something extra activities, but don't think about study. Again, you come after 1 hour and start reading. So you do continue throughout the day. You can have a small nap in the daytime, 5 to 10, 15 minutes, but don't sleep more than half an hour in the daytime. So you have a sleep issue in the night. Don't drink tea, coffee, anything, whatever you want after 6 or 6:30 p.m. because it causes sleep issues. So many people, because I am a sleep specialist, so many students are coming to me with sleep. Sir, we are not able to sleep. So don't drink hot drinks or caffeine content drinks after evening. In the night, you try to revise whatever you read. In the night, you try to revise whatever you read. As he told, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? जो लोग जो भी पढ़ेंगे, छोटा छोटा लिखना है, और वो at points you have to remember, that you have to revise. From today you do the practice, suddenly your percentage from 85 to you go to 95. Suddenly you will be surprised. कैसे ये हुआ? Because in our brain there is three part is there: the registration, retention and recall. Suppose मैं आपको अभी बोल रहा हूँ, जो मेरे को सुन रहे हैं उनका दिमाग में ये बात रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है, जो घर के बारे में बात सोच रहे हैं उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हो रहा है, रिटेंशन रिकॉल तो बाद में छोड़, समझ में आ रहा है ना? सपोज आई एम सेइंग समथिंग, यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, देन इट इज रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड यू आर ऑन माइंडेडफुल, फर्स्ट स्टेप से ही कैंसिल हो गया. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन देन रिटेंशन रिकॉल होता है. इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट योर शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी टू लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी, recall is more important. Either you can remember, either you can recall at 9 in the period 9 to 10 or in the next morning. If you start practicing, if you have to read less, कम पढ़ के ज्यादा आउटपुट करने के लिए ये टेक्निक होता है. This I learned this technique from one of my senior from PGI Chandigarh. From that day, I am reading less and giving increasing my output by reading less also nowadays because of that technique. You try to do this technique. 45 minutes reading, 5 to 10 minutes stay gap. Every 3 to 4 hours, you change the topic, and after 9 p.m. you start revising whatever read. Only the key notes, as he told, key notes. So by this way, you will change your short-term memory to long-term memory. So these are the schedule, like weekly schedule, weekly activity schedule you can plan. These are the like chart. You have to either you can keep the paper side by you, or you can keep this chart like you, like this chart. So nowadays this is called assertiveness. What is assertiveness? Can anyone explain what is assertiveness? कोई बोल पाएगा assertiveness? Okay, you see, these are the technique, like you see the face, you can see the emoji. This is the passivity, this is the passive, this is assertiveness, this is aggressive. Assertiveness means yeah, happy, go lucky, easy you can take. Like those students are using chillax, chill karke asli, chill karke asli. Everyone is saying. So it was there because how I am saying these words, because I am mixing with so many young students so that I can remember the words. आप लोगों के लिए पहुंचने, आपका दिल तक पहुंचने के लिए आपका वर्ड भी बोलना चाहिए. When you will become बड़े-बड़े लोग बन जाएंगे, आपको you will forget things. So many doctors have forgotten what their students are saying. But being a psychiatrist, हम लोग आपको मन को समझना चाहिए. क्या आप बोलते हैं, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. आप नहीं भी बोलेंगे, आप सामने बैठ के भी बोल ये बोलना चाहते हैं. दिमाग का डॉक्टर होते हैं हम लोग. Because so many persons are coming to us not saying anything, started crying. We have to find out what are the causes. So आपको सबके साथ मिलकर ही आपको कुछ भी आपको आउटपुट देना है, तो आप डिस्कस करना है. डिस्कस करने से ज्यादा आउटपुट मिलेगा. So then coming to your life. This is called Jacobson relaxation technique. Jacobson relaxation technique. This is a technique we used to give those one person having very much stress. ये किसी को पता है? This initially this technique is called Jacobson technique. Jacobson technique means suppose you are reading, your exam is ahead and you are feeling frustrated or stressed. सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो रहा है आपको, you are not able to breathe properly, so you have to do some technique that is called Jacobson technique. Jacobson technique is this technique is you have to sleep, put a carpet in the floor and sleep like this. So you start breathing part by part. You start thinking that this part is relaxed, then this part, then this part, then this part. First your hand is getting relaxed, blood is coming from the heart and you are getting relaxed. Don't move your hands like this and you feel that you are relaxed. Could you get my point? Then this part is relaxed, then this leg is relaxed, then this hand is relaxed. And your whole body is floating over a calm, cool, silent water. ये अगर टेक्निक आप करेंगे दिन में 2 बार, सुबह एक बार, शाम को एक बार, so your concentration will increase. Because everyone born with some talent, but those people who will utilize their full, they will get the success. Did you get my point? जब suppose one river is coming from the any hill area, it will go to the ocean, but in between the person, those who will take away the water, the river will not meet the ocean or sea. So your life is just like that because you were born talented. और मेडिकल बच्चे लोग थोड़ा ऐसे ही कमेंट मारते हैं, I was born talented, medical spoiled me. ये पीछे लेके घूमते हैं. I was born talented, medical spoiled me. Because they are so much frustrated with this study, they don't have time to enjoy their life. So I request you, at least you relax yourself throughout half an hour to 1 hour per day, so that you will remain relaxed. So these are the technique. Deep breathing, like this is called deep breathing. This is deep breathing exercise. Deep breathing means you take a deep breath, hold your breath, count 20 and leave it. If you feel any time stress, you'll go to a psychiatrist, they will give this technique. So I'm making doctors from here. So whenever you feel stress, take a deep breath, hold your breath, count 20 and relax. This is one technique of relaxation. This is sleeping is most important. Don't sleep less or don't sleep more. 6 to 8 hours sleep is enough. Don't sleep less than 6 hours to perform more, or don't sleep more than 8 hours because your performance will decrease. Performance will decrease. So this is Jacobson technique you can do whenever you feel stress. Once you put a carpet and take a deep breath and part by part relaxation, and you feel that you are floating over a cool, calm water. Next. Then coming to the internet addiction, you can see this photo. Everyone nowadays putting their head inside your either laptop or mobile. Everyone is busy. Everyone is busy with nowadays internet addiction. So many talks are there in your school regarding internet addiction or smartphone addiction. Debates are also there. But because nowadays sir was saying COVID time, so many students are confused whether they'll go for online classes. Even your today's class, there may be some offline classes, there may be some online students. So parents are confused, students are confused, teachers are confused whether they will go for online class or offline class. They'll go for exam online class or offline class. Previously, we used to say everyone don't get addicted to smartphone or internet. Now we are giving phone to our students. Even we are giving phone for 1 to 2 hours. Again we are saying, आपको नहीं जाना है, आपको अभी online time खत्म हो गया, आप पढ़ाई करो. So there is confusion whether you go for online class or offline class, online exam, offline exam. So don't get addicted. Thing is that smartphone use smartly. Don't get addicted to it, otherwise you will lose so many of your fruitful times or duration. These are the, then coming to the substance abuse. I'm sorry sir, I am giving this subject to these students because this is the age. This is the age where people, students, boys or girls get addicted to substances. कोई बच्चे लोग बाहर जाएंगे, मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त को देखते हैं, चाय पीते हैं, चाय के साथ सिगरेट लेते हैं, then they will get a gateway drugs. Gateway drugs, you know what is gateway drugs? Gateway drugs that will show you the path to other drugs. That is called gateway drugs. आप लोगों के बच्चे के उम्र में सब लोग छुपके छुपके छोटे स्मोकिंग करते हैं. But I say don't do this smoking and things because you will get addicted to like smoking, then ganja, then brown sugar and drugs gradually. Because you never know, so many of your friends are taking these drugs and their life is getting ruined, totally devastated. Okay, internet addiction, smartphone addiction, you can also return back. But when you wake up from the bed and you can check your like internet time or smartphone time stuff, the time is there in the mobile. How many hours you are watching? So don't get addicted when you feel frustrated, stressed, tension. Please discuss with someone who will listen to you. Again and again I am saying, who will listen to you. If nobody is there, I am there to help you out. Okay? Anytime you feel frustrated, सब नहीं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, बोर लग रहा है, जाके सिगरेट लेते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. Don't do that one because that will ruin your life. So many talented guys I can see in my clinics. So many talented students, all the big schools of Bhubaneswar. So whenever you feel stress, try to discuss with someone. If you don't have any problem, you are going for the drugs, but we have 100 problems, 100 solutions for your one problem. Please discuss with someone. Then these are the internet addictions, like when you are having emotional, psychological, mood modification required, you go for internet addiction. Like for internet addiction, again you have this problem. So don't get addicted to internet, only you use your smartphone smartly whenever sir or anybody is advising you for reading and doing some activities. Then coming to me time. We can say what is this me time? Anyone? Have you ever heard this word? सुने हो कि नहीं? आजकल पहले हम 2-3 साल पहले उसको हम बोल रहे थे, अभी आड़ में भी आ रहा है, मी टाइम. Yeah, please tell me. Not fast line. Excellent. She told time for yourself. So me time. When Suppose even doctors or good practitioners, they don't have time for themselves. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? जितने भी आप पैसा इनकम कर लो, जो भी करो, if you don't have me time, so you feel frustrated. You don't have time for relaxation. So you start earning money, you will earn also diabetes, hypertension, so many diseases. Because you don't have time for yourself, you don't have time for your wife, your children, your anyone. So me time is important. You have to remain relaxed to improve all your effectiveness or to 100%. जो मैं पढ़ा था बचपन में, nobody is 100% efficient except like Carnot engine or something like that. School plus 2 में आएगा शायद ये वाला पढ़ाई. So you always give your time. Suppose someone is, अगर those who are very much fond of cricket, football, anyone, अगर पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप if you are not able to not doing this activity, so you will be nowhere. Otherwise धोनी नहीं बनता, इंडिया में धोनी नहीं बनता, विराट कोहली नहीं बनता, सचिन नहीं बनते. Because they are fond of cricket. Sir is there to always they say you teach, read and we can say because after you will go to us. So I may say you read 10th exam, plus 2 exam is good, but you to be mad enough to your passion. You are interested. What you are doing? You may be, suppose you have heard or not, I don't know. Someone is called Sudarshan Patnaik, the Balu ka Shilpi. He got so many medals, so many Padma Bhushan people are getting. कितना डॉक्टर को आप पहचानते हैं? डॉक्टर तो टॉप स्टूडेंट रहते हैं, कितना डॉक्टर को आप पहचानते हैं? हार्डली रमाकांत पंडा जो पीएम का ऐसे सर्जरी की है और 2-3 डॉक्टर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरनेशनल नेशनल लेवल. लेकिन जो टैलेंटेड लड़के रहते हैं, सपोज धोनी अगर पैशन नहीं रहता तो क्रिकेटर बन जाता. ऐसा टीटी क्या बोला, ट्रेन टिकट का लगता टीटी था. समझ में आया कि नहीं? उसका जो पैशन था, जो उसका पागल था, वो नहीं मैं इसको ही बनना है क्रिकेटर. अब यू गो एंड सी दैट एमएस धोनी द अनटोल्ड स्टोरी. तो लाइफ में पढ़ाई सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन आपका जो जिसको पैशन होता है उसको कभी मत भूलना लाइफ में, क्योंकि दैट विल हेल्प यू टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेस और एनी प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेजिलियंस. ठीक है? This is called me time. She told you nicely. So how to manage your anger? So many advices are there. How to manage your anger? Like you can drink water. You can always think positive. Always think what? You have to change your दिमाग को आपको change करना है. Suppose you are going here, so suddenly you fell down. क्या पॉजिटिव सोचना है? कौन बोलेगा? अरे मैं अंदर जा रहा था, गिर गया. पॉजिटिव क्या? साथ में बोल रहे हैं, बहुत भाषण दे रहे. पॉजिटिव क्या है? यू कैन चेंज योर दिमाग, यू कैन चेंज योर माइंड. आगे जाता तो ट्रक चढ़ जाता मेरे ऊपर, भगवान ने छोटे से खजान दिया. ठीक है? Something must happen serious. I may die. That's why something has happened small or tiny here. Do you get my point? So you change your thought process. लाइफ में हर टाइम फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगा. एग्जाम में खराब भी होता है, नहीं, आगे अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. So that you can keep your calm, cool, because this is the beginning, not this is the end. Your age 9, 10, just beginning. Because आपको सपोज आप क्लास में भी टॉप किए, मैट्रिक में टॉप हुए, प्लस 2 में टॉप हुए, आप डॉक्टर बन गए, फिर भी आप किसी के साथ बात नहीं किए, पेशेंट नहीं हो गया आपके पास, कौन भेजेगा आपको पेशेंट? आपको यू हैव टू, यहाँ वो बोलना नहीं कि साथ बोल रहे थे पूरा डॉक्टर बन के ही मैं बात करूंगा पढ़ने के बाद, ऐसे नहीं होता है. अभी से थोड़ा आपका पब्लिक रिलेशनशिप बढ़ाओ. यू कैन बी ए गुड और ग्रेट एंटरप्रेन्योर. ये होना चाहिए आप लोगों को. यू हैव सीन दैट द चाइनीज, द टॉप पर्सन फ्रॉम द चाइनीज, व्हाट इज हिज नेम? क्या? Yeah, it is Jack Ma. He told, I don't want my son to be top in the exam. He told, I don't want that my son to be top in the exam. I want that my son should be in the top 5 position so that he can think for the future. Not only study. Do you get my point? because you can think, because with all the students, those who are good students, they will stick to good mark. But those who are average students, what will happen if they have some failure? So always have your relationship, public relationship, you make it strong. These are the few words towards my end of my presentation. Then we can have discussion. Don't be too sweet, you will be eaten up. पूरा नाजुक नहीं होना चाहिए. Because if you go out of Odisha, so many students going out of Odisha, they are not able to face the North India people because they are very harsh. So they eaten up. Don't be too bitter, you will be beaten up. ज़्यादा भी don't be too bitter because so many students will beat you. Try to be that what I have given that photo. Be like that. So this is the final presentation. The only difference between a diamond and a lump of coal is that the diamond had a little more pressure put on it. So it is up to you. You try to be a diamond or a coal. So take little bit stress to have a great life in future. Otherwise you will remain as a coal. To be a diamond, you have to take little bit pressure. The key word is in the life is balance. Balance between study, your academics, your personal life and professional life. This is the last lesson. Thank you. This is my own photos. All my photos. This is my balanced life. Thank you, sir. Anyone having any questions regarding any problem like stress, tension, sleep issue, frustration, concentration, whatever you want, I can answer you. Please give microphone. Anybody? What's last? Thanks, slide.
Good morning, sir. It's very tough for me to sleep and study. So whenever I sleep, I get distracted by
Last
thinking
one.
of the memes like accounts or Telegram. So how should I be mentally strong to be?
The question is how to handle social media and study. Yeah. Yeah, it is not the common problem with you. It happens with everyone. Suppose my daughter is there, she has to open a here on social media, one with other like online classes, smaller daughter. So she has to see nobody is reading right now because online classes. But for your standard, you have to read. So during class teacher teaching something, so you have to focus and after that you give your mobile to your mama or someone, mama I am having lack of concentration. You have some problem for 5 to 10 days. Like withdrawal पता है? Withdrawal मतलब कोई सिगरेट लेता है तो आप नहीं पिएगा, चाय पीता नहीं पिएगा तो withdrawal होगा मतलब restless, heartbeat बढ़ जाना, tachycardia, sweating, restlessness, lack of concentration will be there. So that is called withdrawal of any drugs. Likewise, there is withdrawal of internet. Suppose you are addicted to internet, so many students are coming to me. They are not going any classes. They are keeping their doors closed and always there and there. I saw one cases from ABCS school. He got 96% from Paripada and admitted in the Super 30 group in the ABCS school. Now he is only watching more like screen and not going any classes. And from 96 to already he got 30 or 20 marks in the exam because of this internet addiction. So I told you, use smartphone smartly. Whatever, suppose something has given. So you search in that thing in the Google. If you don't, and you are having problem, then you can come and discuss with me. What is your problem? You write down, I'll solve your problem. Okay?
To say in between that we will study for 45 minutes and take a 15-minute break. But when I take a 15-minute or 5-minute break, I go and sit in front of TV and then I sit there along 1 hour, 2 hours, but I don't feel like coming back to my table and study.
Okay. Excellent question. This happens with everyone. Please clap for her. Because those who are asking questions, they are asking for everybody. Because though they are smart girls, they are asking So whenever you are watching TV, so you make a routine that Sir has told, I have to read. Don't read more than 10 hours per day because there is also lack of concentration. So आपको बोलना है कम टाइम पढ़ना है, अच्छे से पढ़ना है. People think that after reading and reading they institute more, but this is sometimes wrong. Sometimes because you have to, whenever you are taking some break, you keep a mind that हमको 15 को घड़ी देख के जाना है, फिर घड़ी का टाइम हो गया फिर आ जाना है, ये करना है. फर्स्ट कुछ दिन आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, लेकिन फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम यू विल हैव ए ग्रेट सक्सेस. 45 मिनट्स ठीक है, 5 मिनट कोई ऐसे नहीं कि गाना का हाफ खत्म होते ही चले जाना. आप गाना खत्म होते ही वेट कर सकते हैं. सपोज 15 मिनट्स में आपका ये गाना हाफ है और थोड़ा बाकी है, आप थोड़ा रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं. रेजिंग द रेजिलियंस, द टॉपिक इज दैट. थोड़ा रिलैक्स, ऐसे नहीं पूरा स्ट्रिक्ट करने से तो आपका भी टाइप 1 पर्सनालिटी बन जाए. मतलब क्लास में फास्ट सीट पे बैठना है, 10 o'clock मतलब 9:40 पहुंचना है. हर टाइम अगर सब चीज परफेक्ट करेंगे तो कभी भी आपका डायबिटीज ब्लड प्रेशर नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होने से आपका टेंशन हो जाएगा. नहीं मेरे को फास्ट सीट क्यों नहीं मिला, क्यों सेकंड सीट में बैठ गया. थोड़ा लाइफ में रिलैक्स रखना है. पहले जो था, जब थोड़ा उड़िया में बोलता हूँ, पहले कोई लोग बोलते थे, मतलब जो अंग्रेज के साथ हम फाइटिंग करते हैं, मैंने 9 इंच पचे भांगी मुनि आगुर कहते 9 इंच पचे भांगी मुनि, एबे कहूँ आम 9 इंच से उठी पड़ो आम आउे ठिया जाए. बुझे कि नहीं, आगुर से कारण तुम जब 9 इंच पचे भांगी तुम लोग मारदेवे. I told that one, don't be so sweet or too hot. Try to okay type. Nowadays it is going on because you have to be updated. Those लोग not updated, they will like perform or perish. If you are not updated, you will not able to stay here for a prolonged period. Every time you have to change yourself. Suppose you are young, when you become 30s, 40s, you have to change your mind setup to be young. Otherwise, you will not able to perform properly. Okay, so what 15 minutes gap is good. If you are watching one movie, you can extend one song, not 2 to 3 minutes. Not that problem. You keep a watch with alarm, it will be okay. Any question? That all.
How will give us confidence? So you have to the answer, but I'm not confident. So if
So right now you are confident. That's why you ask the question. Clap for it. Ask the excellent question. How to increase your confidence or confident. Confident के लिए आपको देखो, if you are having, suppose someone having some issues like thyroid issue, diabetes issue, some genetically issues like parents are very shy, so that may be some like lack of confidence. If everyone is okay, you don't have thyroid issues, diabetes issues, parents are also good, but still then you are shy. So you have to first you talk with one person, try to develop some friendship, try to talk with gradually in small groups in your house, or you first talk in front of mirror. Because till school I was given for one talk for debate. I totally surprised there, started crying, and that was my first and last. Again I start my talk after PG exam. When I started reading at SCB Medical College, there was forcefully you have to give guest presentations in front of so many teachers. They scold us. Then he made a person who can invite, like you people invited me as a speaker. You never know my past because I was very much afraid of giving talk. So how I develop, because forcefully when you enter into PG career, you have to do topic presentation, seminar, so many things you have to do. Then you become smart. Or from your level, you start saying them in front of mirror, then at your in front of parents or mother or sister, then small group, then start to talking in large groups. Okay, could you get my point? Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, how to deal with family issues like I want to read for 1.5 hours, but my family pressures me to read about 3 hours. Sir, how to deal?
You can bring your parents to me. I can give you advice. First thing. Second thing, you can give some internet data like reading. I have not told you only read for 45 minutes. You can read. I told you maximum up to 10 hours per day during your preparation time. In that 10 hours, you divide like 45 minutes reading, 5 minutes gap. 45 minutes reading, 5 minutes gap. So that your input from your input will increase a lot. But you see, all parents they want that your students should read and read. But how much output required? They require the result. If you can show the result, then no issue. Then you tell them, Sarah has given me this technique. I will show you with my result.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question. That is stress and depression as two different things are discussed rather
Yeah. Excellent question. Stress and depression. Can anyone say stress and depression? Stress, ma'am, want to say something? Yeah, ma'am is want to say something.
Me, I don't know how whether I'm right or wrong. Stress when we are saying, I think it is within us. I was pressurized from so many things. So I may not able to express. Or being an introvert, you are not going to start that's going to even more mental. And it is going to convert to something. It is going to be more, it's going to be more in here. I'm going to see. I'm not able to heal myself, but I need a doctor to treat me. That time I will depression. I am not able to express until I'm not expressing myself. The moment I stop expressing myself.
Yeah, it is bit correct, but it is that as she told, like stress. Stress means like I told you the slides, pressure, tension, then stress. Oh yeah, pressure initially, suppose someone has given some task. You have to finish within time period. But principal sir has given down task. You feel pressure. बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं हमको क्यों काम देते हैं? So I told you, think positive. So you are able to do or you are capable of. That's why teacher has given the task to you. You think positive, so you feel relaxed. So that is pressure. Pressure means something has given to you and you feel pressurized to do that activity within stipulated period of time. That is pressure. Gradually, every time you feel pressure at home with husband pressure, children pressure, wife pressure, then at school teacher pressure, friends pressure, every time you feel pressure, that will lead to tension or tension for a prolonged period that will lead to depression. Gradually. That depression, as ma'am told, for within that may be endogenous depression, that may be exogenous depression. Endogenous means suppose I have some periods problem, I have thyroid problem, I have diabetes problem. I'm talking about male and female. Don't think that I have a period problem. Suppose I'm talking about everyone, like any problem that is endogenous depression, like hormonal issues, endogenous depression. Exogenous depression, like someone is giving pressure to you. Suppose आप कुछ जगह खरीद रहे हैं, कुछ आप जाते हैं, बोलेगा मार देंगे. आप खरीद रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको टेंशन दे रहा है. अरे यार इतना खर्चा करके किया था, फिर ये मारने के लिए क्यों बोल रहे हैं? So gradual that pressure lead to depression. Suppose आपका someone is torturing you on the roads, always giving you negative comments, on the bus giving you comments. That is exogenous. Like you don't have internally normal any problem. A hormonal issue is normal, but that person is giving you problem. Could you get my point? Depression can be endogenous depression, can be exogenous depression. Endogenous from within, you have hormonal issues or your family are having depression. Someone committed in family in your family, that is endogenous. Then exogenous is outside. Someone giving you pressure. But tension can be usually basically lead to depression. Or pressure lead to depression. Any questions or we should wind up the session?
Fine. From my mother is a teacher, but sometimes she gets so irritated with something. And gets angry on me and says something like, I feel like grandmother or something.
Okay, beta, don't there is something. I am there to help you out, or I can give you some techniques how you can handle your. This is not a. You are so brave. That's why please give a round of applause for. You are so brave. That's why you told, because you are not a single person who is facing the problem. I know so many students, not this school, all over the schools. That's why when Satyaki told, sir, you take a class, then I told, yes, definitely, because you are our future. We are already past. You are the future. So you can control hundred or thousands of millions of people through your talk or through your activity or your attitude. So whenever someone is saying, because I told, as I am told, external factors are there, internal factors. So you have to handle the stress, because nobody in this family is clear, everything is okay, happy, whatever you want, it will possible nothing. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? जो भी हो रहा है उसको लेके चलना है. Don't run away from the stress. I last example, as he told, whenever you face any stress, don't run away from the stress. Suppose आपको कुत्ता काटने के लिए भागता है, आप कितना जोर दौड़ेंगे, भागेंगे, आप तो काट ही लेगा वो. Try to pick a stone or something like that. ऐसे तो आपका, अगर वो डरने वाला कुत्ता होगा, वो भागेगा, तो आपका विनिंग सिचुएशन 100 हो गया. फाइट करने वाला कुत्ता होगा, तो आप फाइट करेंगे, वो फाइट करेंगे, 50% चांस हो गया. लेकिन अगर भागेंगे आप, वो आप जीतने का चांस 0 है आप, अगर आप भागेंगे. So my last advice, don't run away from a stress, try to face it, fight it and defeat it. Definitely will be a winner. Thank you. Okay, madam.
In my childhood, I was very active. I was not a good, if you count as a child, I was not a good child. I grew from, I started learning how to control my anger. Okay, I am out of it. Okay, now I am trying to control. Problem is, I really when I'm doing that. I am having a child. So all my aggressions are more. And that is a problem. Now I don't know how to control my aggression. As I'm taking class, he is fine and I have to take care of it. I have to move any wrong from in control.
So, ma'am, your thing is that channelization of your anger. Suppose you are angry, so much angry, and you are to, आपको क्या होता है, बच्चे के ऊपर गुस्सा होता है. So you have to think like you do some sports activity like start walking, running, gymming, Zumba, everything you start doing, or you learn a new technique like you can learn guitar and any harmonium, any music, so that your anger will be channelized so different. When people get irritated, they will मतलब जो होगा ना, जो ओडिया रे कहते काणी बिराड़ी कुजी असर अपना राग करियो. जदी मु सबले ट्राई टू फाइट माय सीनियर्स नॉट विथ माय जूनियर के साथ तो सब झगड़ा करते हैं. तो सेति भाई वो कहे आपण छोट पिला कहले आपण डिप्रेशन ता पर उठो एंड सी और ही विल गेट डिप्रेस. तो आपण चैनलाइज करू तो आउ गोटे किसी काम रे आउ यू आइडियल माइंड इज डेविल्स वर्कशॉप. व्हेन यू आर लेजी you will think so many things. Those who are busy, we don't have time to think about anyone. So always engage your mind. Do some positive activity. You started flowering and so many things, new things. So you'll feel happy. Try to do new things. Even if low 60 के बाद भी new चीज करते हैं. You try to do new things, you will feel relaxed.
Finally, on behalf of the students, just to give them a tip. How to keep calm and quiet before one or examination or one or examination, as they are going to face different types of online offline.
Yeah. So it is a very good question. I have forgotten to tell. Just don't read too much before the day before exam. रात भर जो पढ़ के बच्चे लोग जाते हैं एग्जाम में, अगर क्वेश्चन कुछ चेंज आ जाता है आप पढ़ नहीं पाए, टेक अ गुड स्लीप जस्ट बिफोर नाइट. व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू रीड यू रीड विद इन दैट मंथ. एग्जाम से पहले आराम से सोना है. एग्जाम से 1 घंटा पहले पहुंचना है वहां एग्जाम हॉल में, क्योंकि अगर आपका सीट टीचर के पास होगा आपका टेंशन रह जाता है. अरे यार कुछ पूछ नहीं पाएंगे किसी से, सार का सामने ही बैठ गए, ये बहुत टेंशन रहता है. सो एटलीस्ट यू रीच 1 hour बिफोर. डोंट रीड लास्ट मिनट स्टडी, बिकॉज सपोज आप एक भी चीज पढ़ के गए तो एग्जाम में जस्ट ऑपोजिट मिला है आपका क्वेश्चन, तो आपका पूरा दिमाग घूम ही जाएगा. सो ट्राई टू 1 hour बिफोर आपका एग्जाम से पहले पढ़ाई बंद करना है. आराम से रात में सोना है. नेक्स्ट नाइट प्रीवियस नाइट में 1 घंटा आराम, 8 घंटा आराम से सोना है. 1 घंटा एग्जाम पहले पहुंचाना है. क्वेश्चन शुरू से लास्ट तक पढ़ के जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा आता है उसको ही कीजिए. ट्राई टू आज जॉबिंग क्वेश्चन खराब, जैसे सर बोले कोविड सो मच स्ट्रेस आर देयर, बट डोंट फील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. कोविड में 2 साल चला गया, जो भी हुआ है वो वर्ल्ड के लिए हुआ है, आपके लिए क्या सिर्फ ये भी कलिंग नगर स्कूल के लिए हुआ नहीं. Hard time think positive. What has happened? It is happened for everyone in this world. Every world is suffering. You are not out of it. So think positive. Definitely will be a winner in your field. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Whatever questions have come from my students, these are from their inner heart, really. So, you have got an opportunity to speak out. And lot of things are asked told. So, speak out. One person may not listen. Somebody else may listen. Heart may listen. I think is not the problem. Okay. Don't keep yourself if you have any stress. Then if you don't manage the stress, as told, if you don't manage, stress will be there. Stress is there with everybody. Everyone. Stress will be there. You can't say that stress will never come your way to come. But success is whether you can manage it or you have not managed. If you don't manage it continuously, it goes to the depression. If you can manage it, then depression question doesn't arise. Stresses will be there, but depends upon you how can you manage. As sir told, every time you will retreat, you will change the side, you will go away. Exam is there, I will not perform, I will not after the exam. If all the things you cannot do that, okay, sometimes you have to face it. You have to face it. Sometimes you have to technique. Sometimes you have to do hard labor. Various ways are there, whatever you feel. But be ready to face the stresses will come. Accept that. Okay. But try to manage it. Don't make any stress to the depression. It will go to the depression if continuously stress continues for a longer time. Yes. Thank you very much, sir. I think whatever in today's session, now over to Madam.
Thank you very much, sir, for making our children confident and smart. I think most of the doubt of our children have cleared by this time. Any doubt, you can tell me, I will convey to sir. Sir is always ready for our children. Give a big clap for. Now, it's all over. Any doubt you can ask now. I request our beloved principal sir, supervisors, Prakash sir, to felicitate Sir Subhendu sir as a token of love from DAV Parivar. And alumni members, I request all of you to come to the stage. Conducting a mental health awareness session on campus. Thank you very much, sir. Also, as a token of love for our students, he has also sponsored food packets for each one of you. Our students have certainly taken away a lot of learnings from this auditorium, and I believe that this would help them to become a better version of this. Thank you once again, sir. I would also like to thank our principal, sir, Mr. Vipin Kumar Sahu, for his constant support towards all the alumni related activities. I would also like to thank all my beloved teachers for their everlasting cooperation and support towards our events. Finally, thank you, all my little friends who could make it today to make this program a grand success. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.